Have you ever wondered why, despite all your efforts, making money online is just not something that is working for you? You see others making a ton of money online selling digital products or affiliate marketing, but it's just not working for you. Well, it's not your fault. There is a dark side of this story. A psychological tricks that your mind is making you believe that you cannot do this, and that is what is keeping you from making real money online. But don't worry, if you keep watching this video, I'm going to expose hidden tactics you can use to finally break free. So if you are tired of losing money and want to break free from these beliefs that are limiting you, keep watching, because I will expose all the things you need to do. I want to tell you how your mind is making tricks and how you can overcome that by using simple steps. So what happens? You try to make some extra money. You go online, you go on Instagram, on YouTube, you're watching videos about digital marketing, and you stumble upon the people that are having success. Your mind is thinking, oh, as you keep watching, I see more and more people having success with this thing called digital marketing. Low ticket, high ticket, it doesn't matter. Affiliate marketing, whatever, selling low ticket digital products. And your mind is thinking, oh, this could be easy. Let's try. So you stumble upon a course, digital marketing course, that teaches you skill needed to sell low-ticket products or any type of product online. You buy the course. And what actually is happening? It's similar like when you buy some kind of a car, or a type of a car, then you go on a road and you see only those cars and you didn't see them before. The similar thing is happening when you buy digital marketing course. You see only people in digital marketing and you think, oh, this is too saturated, and your mind is thinking, I will never succeed in this too saturated space. But keep going, because you will, and digital marketing works. You just need to stay consistent. So you start making content like your digital marketing course is teaching you, or paying for ads. And you start to worry more, because there is no success, because nothing is an overnight success. You need to stay consistent for a year until you will see any significant success. And then your mind is playing trick on you. This isn't working. I'm doing something wrong. I'm making wrong content. I'm shadow banned. Algorithm hates me. But go on. You need to stay consistent and follow this simple formula. Go through the course again. And when you create content, talk to yourself like 3 months before you bought the course and starting this journey. Take people and try to target their problems, their desires. Don't sell a course. Talk about your story, where you were, why you are doing this, and the success will come. So whatever mind trick the mind is trying to sell you, you have to stay consistent, because digital marketing works. This is not a rich quick scheme. You need to stay consistent and work a lot, because the results won't come from nowhere. And then as you build an audience, you will build community, you will build a cult of people that are following you, especially if you are not ghosting them. So not trying to make a big fast income and just sell the course and ghost them, don't help them when they have questions. So the best thing you can do to stick out from all those digital marketing courses you see is to provide extra value. For example, you give your people who buy from you, you give them coaching, or like a mastermind calls, not mastermind, but like where they can ask questions and you will be available for them. If this helps, like this video and subscribe for more.